Hello! Welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up LeadMaster to send text messages. First, we must double-check to ensure the person we would like to send a text message to has their information correctly entered into the system. Head to Administration, Main Admin menu, and click on Company Hierarchy and Assignments. We will focus on the Account Manager today, but you can use this for any level of hierarchy in your system. Under Account Manager information, ensure that the mobile and mobile provider is entered in correctly. If this information is not entered correctly, then you will not be able to send this person a text message from LeadMaster. And click on Marketing Automation Workflow Management in the Admin menu. Let's take a look at the workflow needed to send text messages. And you should use this as a template to create your own workflow in your own system. Give the workflow process a name and choose when the process will apply. We will choose updating an existing record. This is because Text Account Manager is a quick action that is checked, and the resulting action will be to send a text message to whoever you choose. Let's take a look at the condition evaluated. The condition is that Text Account Manager was checked. Text Account Manager is listed as a sales activity or quick action. That is the field, and the operator is was checked. Click Insert. For more information on creating workflow conditions, refer to the tutorial on workflow. Next, let's look at resulting actions. The action is sending a text message. The next window we are presented with displays text message fields for you to fill in. Fill out the subject, and you can opt to enter a merge field into the text, such as contact information. Then fill out the text message. Let's enter some merge fields about the contact. Select the recipient of the text message. You may choose any of the levels of hierarchy right here, or the option to text directly to a mobile number. Select the mobile provider and type in the mobile number. If you select mobile number, every time the workflow fires, it will send a text message to this number. If you choose Account Manager, it will send the message to whoever has been assigned this lead. We will choose the Account Manager. Let's test this out. Let's go to Accounts. Let's check off the Text Account Manager. Click Update. And now a text message has been sent to Account Manager. This concludes the tutorial on how to send a text message from LeadMaster. Thanks for watching.